We'll guide you through how to make grid in Blender. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, tap to open Blender from your desktop. Once the program has loaded and the default scene appears, press A on your keyboard to select all existing objects in the scene. After everything is selected, press X and confirm the deletion so you can begin with a clean workspace. Next, press Shift and A to open the Add menu. Then navigate to the Mesh section. From the available mesh options, choose Plane to add a new plane object to your project. After the plane appears, resize it to whatever dimensions best suit your intended design. When the size looks correct, press Tab to switch from Object Mode to Edit Mode. While in Edit Mode, right-click on the plane and select Subdivide from the menu. This will divide the surface into smaller sections. To create additional divisions and increase the amount of geometry, repeat the same subdivide process as many times as needed. Once you are satisfied with the subdivisions, move to the side panel and locate the Modifier section. In this area, add new modifiers and use the search bar to find and apply 3 modifiers: Subdivision Surface, Decimate, and Wireframe. After all 3 modifiers have been added, adjust the Subdivision Surface modifier by setting its subdivision level to 2. This will smooth and refine the geometry. Next, find the Wireframe modifier and set the thickness value according to the appearance you want for the grid structure. After that, go to the Decimate modifier and select the Unsubdivide option. This setting changes the mesh structure while maintaining a patterned appearance. If you would like the grid to have a diagonal layout, set the iterations value to level 1 within the Decimate modifier. This optional adjustment can create a different visual style. Take a moment to rotate the view, inspect the model from different angles, and verify that everything appears correct now.